Hey, my name is Ken Babcock. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Tango. Tango allows you to create step-by-step how-to guides with screenshots in seconds. Creating documentation feels like a chore or a secondary priority. And a lot of times the best documentation is being created by high performers. High performers are stretched for time. So finding the time to then sit down and write all the articles that the team needs, it just doesn't happen. And so we've focused predominantly on this person who's that high performer, needs to create documentation, but doesn't have enough hours in the day, and making that really simple for them. So new hire comes in, goes through their process, sends a Tango to their manager and says, hey, what feedback do you have? How can I do this better? Product teams communicating updates across the organization. So you can easily use Tango to point out, hey, we added this button, or we added this feature. And then our step-by-step documentation allows people to share it across the company, to tell the support team, hey, when we have issues, here's how we handle it. Or tell the sales team, hey, you can include this in your pitches. His team's using Tango as a way to respond to customers, whether it's more static help docs or in the moment responding to a ticket saying, hey, I know what issue you're experiencing. Let me show you how I walked through it and how I solved this issue, and sending them a Tango in response. We create documentation as you're going through your process. We allow users to kind of take those workflows and put them anywhere that content lives. So you can download a PDF, you can copy a link directly to the Tango. We have a feature called Magic Copy, which essentially allows you to copy it to any type of documentation solution. A lot of existing wikis and LMSs, they frankly focus a lot on how many bells and whistles can we add to this tool, such that when you start with a blank canvas, you can create, and illustrate the most comprehensive documentation that you would want. We don't need you to necessarily live in Tango, the app, in order to consume these. Let's meet you where you're consuming content. This is where simplicity just shines through. You activate the Chrome extension up in your browser. You basically click that, say, let's capture the workflow. Go through your process as you normally would, whether it's cross tabs, cross windows, can be internal tools, external tools. And so you do what you normally do, and we kind of do the rest. And so when you're done with that process, it takes you to a page in Tango that says, hey, here's everything that you did. Let's call it steps 1 through 15, complete with screenshots, URLs, and descriptions of the events that happened, whether it was a click, type, drag, drop, copy, paste, whatever it was. We sort of articulate that, and then we give you the tools to edit it on the fly. Hey, maybe we captured something that wasn't necessarily a step, or maybe you want to add a step. And one nice thing about the screenshots as well is you can mark those up and annotate and add arrows, boxes, text, blur things out if you want to, and really make that sort of custom to what you need. And then once you're done editing, you can just share that to your existing wiki or LMS. You can download it to a PDF, or you can share somebody the link. Think of being in Slack. Someone asks, hey, how do I do X with Y? Just shoot them a link. We had a launch. We basically turned on the switch, made the Chrome extension live. We had a lot of success on product hunt, which I think is just a testament to all the work that the team has done. We were #1 product of the day, #1 product of the week, and closed out September as the #2 product of the month. That traction has been phenomenal, and we're learning a ton from how those people are using the product. And I think that that's going to allow us to really build just a better product. We have a real opportunity in front of us.